Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators. First, I'm going to update the index sector and stock for Tuesday, June 29, 2021. And then after that, I will take a look on the best stock to have it in $1 trillion infrastructure deal that we get done deal from the contract. All right, so first of all, let's take a look on the S&P 500. The overall trend is still bullish, even though the volume is very light, and you see that the candle getting smaller and smaller. So we are very close to the resistance level. So we will see the market at how hard it can pump it to the upside. So this week it gets close to the July 4 weekend. So it seems like a lot of traders they either take up early or the market they don't have much momentum. They just go sideways, choppy. As you can see, the candle very tiny. They go nowhere. Okay, and if you look at the Nasdaq, it still continue to make an all-time high. It's very bullish, and then it continue to push it back up. And the two that a little bit fall behind, that the Russell 2000, they still have problem to punch to the level of resistance here, so they pull back down. So let's see, they can hold up at the support here and bounce back up. So it depends on the market. So we will see in the next couple of days here. And another weak one is also the Dow. Why the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq continue to put it higher, but the Dow they still have trouble to get through the sell down here. So they are still in the sideways correction also. And if you look at the crude oil, it continues to put it to the upside. So they have a strong resistance here, but right now they headed to the OPEC meeting. So let's see how they turn out. But overall trend is still bullish for the oil. And the gold is still choppy. They get into the buy zone, so they are dancing around here. So they have a strong support at this level. If they can hold up at this level, we're looking for some buy on gold here shortly. And the Bitcoin, it also rumbled in the last couple of days to the upside. So overall trend, it looks like they try to stabilize here the buy zone if they can hold up here, and if they continue to push it back up. So we will see the rebound on the Bitcoin as well as the Ethereum also, pretty much the same. But this is at bottom out and looking forward to put it up to the upside. Okay, and if you look at the sector, let's take a look on the VIX. Okay, volatility index. So volatility index, they get into the uncertainty level of volatility right now. So they hold up at this level a couple of times already. As long as they stay low, the market will still go higher. But if they pump it up, and then you can see some correction shortly. Okay. If you look at a 10-year Treasury note, the good thing is 10-year Treasury note, it's going down. So that helps the technology stock. It's going up, and then people not worry about the inflation yet. So let's see how they go. But this is a strong level of support for the 10-year Treasury note also. So if you look at the sector, the energy sector, even though the crude oil price going up, but the energy, a lot of energy stock is going down. Okay, so they are, because they hit to the top here, and then they are in sideways choppy correction. They have a strong support here. So let's see it after the OPEC meeting, where they're heading to here. Okay, so but right now this is a strong level of support for all the oil stock. Let's see if they can handle above this line, or if they drop below here, we're looking for further correction. But a lot of stock there are still sideways choppy. Okay, they go nowhere. Like the one we show you on the weekend, like MRO, CVX, okay, Chevron, it's still sideways in this rainbow here, as well as the ExxonMobil, do the same thing there. Okay, so let's see it how they lay out. The OSY, it also ran out of gas, so they pull back down, but it's still in the uptrend. So that the energy sector, the financial sector, is still after they correct to this level, they have a strong support. so that they bow back up. So right now they have a strong resistance here, but they are not coming down, so they go sideways, and if they can clear this resistance here, and then they continue, otherwise they have to go sideways here until they be able to clear this resistance and continue to push it up. Okay, so we have to see how they lay out here, and a lot of institution banking is still doing well. Even American Express, they put up, but the last 2 days they pull back down. They try to hold up the support here. Let's see they can continue to hold up. SCSW, that's Charles Schwab, it's still hang tight to the upside, even though it's still choppy here. BLK, the one we looked at last time, it's still sideways choppy. They're going up for last couple of days, but they hit right into resistance. So let's see, they have to go sideways before they can break out and continue to the upside. The XLK, it's still one of the famous one that I told you the last couple of weeks here. The technology sector is the best one right now. They are doing very strong. Okay, they continue to put it to the upside right there. So that's why you look at a lot of good stock like Apple, right? It's still doing extremely well to the upside there. Adobe, okay, that's another one we highlighted like months ago. They still continue to put it strong to the upside. And Microsoft, another star stock here, continue to put it to the upside. And another sector also doing well, that's the healthcare, as you can see here, with a lot of virus that still hang around there, new Delta variant, all kind of stuff, but still hang there. The sector healthcare is still doing very well, and you see that a lot of vaccine stock is doing very well, like mRNA, right? Moderna to continue rumble to the upside, to high demand right now. AZN, okay, that's another strong vaccine stock. They are trying to catch up and very strong move to the upside. And if you like the ETF, okay, that's another one that still rumble to the upside. And a couple bottom fishing stock like we show you last couple of weeks. First Solar still put it back up. They are a little bit extended right now, but they have a good run last week there. Roku, that's another good run there, and PYPL is also hang tight to the resistance there. Okay, so as you know that trading is a risky business. It's not a get rich quick scheme. That's why at Stock Navigator we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price action on the chart by using a modern technical analysis, and understand the crowd psychology combined with the pattern recognition and money management so that you can trade with high probability of winning. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything by yourself, so we will mentor and support you every day until you are successful, and we will guide you in our live trading room daily so that you can follow along and you can ask and see how price action in real time. This is the only way that you can manage your own financial future. So this is the time for you to invest in your education so that you can survive and make money in this volatile market. Now let's take a look at the couple of stocks that I'll promise to show you. It will benefit from $1 trillion infrastructure deal here. So the first one I'm going to show you is the TSCO. Okay, so this one here is this stock at tractor supply. So this stock has been pulled back down like the other infrastructure stock like Caterpillar and those stocks, they pull it back down. But after they found a support here and then they put it back up. So the last couple of days they put strong momentum here. So they continue to rumble to the upside. So today they have show very strong momentum here. Okay, so that number one looks like they find a way to put it up to the upside much higher in the future there. The next one is Caterpillar we use in John Deere. Okay, so this one is very similar. It's still a little bit choppy here, but pretty soon if they can hold up here sideways, if they can clear this one here, they're looking for to put it to the upside. and UPF. Okay, and the other one, it's also pretty strong there. Okay, this one here, the second best one. If you find a way to put it to the upside right now after they found a support, and now they turn around and continue to put it up to the upside. And another one is, let me show you this one here. It also have a potential. Okay, if they can clear this resistance here, if the next couple of days we really want to see that they be able to get up. Okay, and if they can push it back up, okay, the trend it can change for the CSX also. Okay, so beside this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where I will handpick about 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and target so that you can follow. So this is a short week, get into the long weekend. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up, like button, or any suggestion. Please let me know on the comment below. Again, thank you for watching. Good luck in your trading. I will see you on Thursday for stock to buy in July. All right, so take care, everyone.